atongoria gikundi giki oikaine ta Professor Fred Ogola ni akiuritie atongoria ukorwo makinyitanira hari kunina kana kunina ndugamano ici na makiria magaikarite na kuri governor wa kaunti ya Mombatha niwe governor Abdul Samad Nasir na kuria akimorite uko magiteithiriria hari kunina ndugamano ici kuona ati ni ikoretwo igicokia na thutha wonjoria wa kaunti ino.
Maneno tumeona kama imekuwa affected currently is majengo. Wame-earmarked around 25 houses wanataka kubomoa. Na hizo ni nyumba penye watu wako na kimiliki za shamba. Approvals zimefanywa na county government. Na pia the same county government wana collect land rates. Je, unaweza collect pesa kwa mtu ambao si halali? Ndio tunauliza serikali. Na who is the complainant? Is the complainant the citizens or the complainant is the county government? How can the county government approve a building then complain against it? How do you complain against your own approvals? All approvals are there. All documents are there. We should not have any complaint at all. We want the county government to do things in the right manner. So we are asking the county government, working with the national government, to ensure the enactment of the land management policy, because in Coast Province in Mombasa, there is a land management policy which was being drafted by the stakeholders here. We want that to be fast-tracked. That is a long-term perspective. The other long-term is we need to have an enforcement agency which needs to be appointed to enforce all the land regulations, because there are laws, but there are no regulations. And it is clear that we need regulations to enforce the laws which you have in place. The third one, which is a long-term one, we need to have an implementation of all commission reports. There's a committee report. They are all reports, TRG's report, what's called Truth and Justice and Reconciliation Committee reports that needs to be done, so that we can actually find a way on which we can solve this matter.
Na tugetigane na icio tukirongoreria ngina ni ati ikundi cia githirikari na citari cia githirikari